Hey Luis, how you doing?
I'm tired, man. We went to Club du Divet, and we went to Red Lion.
Yeah, not red light.
No, Red Lion.
Red line.
Red Lion?
Red line.
Lion.
Lion?
Is it lion?
Like a bear? A lion? I'm so tired. Like a nose line, like you draw a line.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because when I saw the energy cans, it was red line.
Like Red Lion, like the Red Lion.
This dude's so tired right now.
Dude.
Oh, he's passed out. I'm tired too. But I feel like taking a video because it'll be fun to watch later. So, I'm gonna look at Luis for another 5 seconds. Then I'm gonna turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was really boring, Luis. Whatever. See you later.